To install the VBOUT for ChatGPT plugin, log into your ChatGPT user interface. You have to be on the GPT-4 where it supports plugin. Currently, it is a paid feature. Click on plugins, and from this dropdown, scroll all the way down to the plugin store. All you need to do is look for VBOUT and hit install. This process is going to guide you to your account where you need to log in. This will authenticate and provide access to your marketing activities, which means now the account is connected. The VBOUT plugin is active, as you see right here. This is actually an important step. We've seen it at some point that it limits 3 plugins to be active at a time. So just check if you have multiple plugins available. As you can see right here, you might need to turn one off in order for you to activate VBOUT. And that's it. The next step usually is check out the list of commands available by typing help, and this will list all the available prompts at your disposal.